Before the video starts, make sure to go subscribe to the Green Ninja Gaming channel. Hit all notifications so you'll never miss an upload. Anyways, enjoy the video. What's up, my fellow ninjas? Genshin here, and today we'll be reacting to SMG4. Mario goes to Subway and purchases one tuna sub with extra mayo by SMG4. Now SMG4 is back. He just took a long break, which they deserve, for doing animations for quite a while, and yeah, and they're back with some more funny animations. And now I guess Mario's gonna go to Subway and get him a tuna sub with extra mayo. What an interesting title, though. So yeah, hopefully this is quite enjoyable. The original links are in the description below. Make sure to go subscribe to SMG4. Without further ado, let's begin. It's just a stock photo.
Ooh,
I like
yummy!
How that...
Hello!
Oh, here we go. Mario's back. Wait,
boss.
You're gonna have a tuna mayo. Wait. Oh yeah. Well, it says in the title with extra mayo.
The fuck? Open!
Hey, come back here. I'm hungry.
Oh my. Well, that's kind of messed up. Even because they're like fish. Are they tuna or they just like regular fish?
It's time to witness perfection.
Be strong, Clarence. Be strong for Mother.
Ooh.
Got him!
Well, about time for me to be hitting the old dusty trail.
This guy knows too much.
He needs too much. He needs too much. Get him!
Mamma mia!
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
Oh, that's perfect.
What are you doing? What's going on here?
Wah, wah, wah.
Subway, eat fresh.
I don't get it.
You've seen too much.
Send them away. Send them all away. Lock them up, whatever. Oh, hell no.
So Mario seen too much, and then they can't let him go. Is that what this whole plot is about? I don't know.
Oh, boy, look at that
Sandwich.
Oh, there's a sandwich.
Yeah, I said no mayo.
No mayo.
I'm coming for you.
I'll have two number 9s. A number 9 large, a number 6 with extra dip, a number 7, two number 45s, one with cheese, and a large soda.
Here we go!
I'm saved.
Here we go!
Bro, your music in here is dope.
Here's your to-go order, sir.
One roast beef sub, please.
This is gonna be good!
Whoa!
Hey, Stinky!
Come on!
Tango!
Spin!
The duck goes.
Oh no! Her duck sing. I can't speak today. Her duck senses are tingling.
My God!
The waifu goes.
My queen.
Wait, oh my god, that's perfect.
You're too slow!
Oh my god.
Well, about time for me to be hitting the old dusty trail.
And they both say it.
Get the down there!
Eto, sono lavato, l'ho visto!
What the?
Let's see if we can find another way out.
Enter the center of death. The mayo line.
Where's my burrito?
So Mario just wants mayo? Oh my goodness.
Where's my burrito? Where's my burrito? Where's my burrito? Where's my burrito?
Come here, fishy fishy. Here, fishy fishy.
What's good, yeah?
What? I don't even know what's going on anymore. First off, it was just Mario just ordering a sandwich. And then next, it was just like fish killing fish. And then next, it's just this. A demon. A demon.
Oh, this monster is from DNB. I can use this book too.
Aww. Sorry. Ooh.
That's some true entertainment.
You're such a good player.
It's beautiful.
I am the smart. I am the...
You've activated my trap card.
Coming for that ass, boy.
His back, ace clutch.
Ooh. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Ah, that's terrifying. Look at that Mario. Oh my.
It's time for my counterattack.
Fire laser.
No, you.
Reverse card.
Breeze win. Breeze out.
Yummy. Oh, you're so good. Excellent selection. What? Oh, you got to be f***ing with me.
I have now clapped my pants.
Mamma mia!
Eto, sono lavato, l'ho visto!
Okie dokie.
Wait, what are they doing? I didn't. Wait, what? Hold on. Oh, they're working. Wasn't really paying attention to that. I was more paying attention to them, looking at them.
Eto, sono
Now I
lavato,
understand what they're
capito?
doing.
Okie dokie.
Gee, it sure is boring around here.
Let's see if we can go even faster, faster, faster,
What?
Be free! Whoa!
Baldy. What is happening? I don't even know anymore.
Have you tried turning it off and on again?
Let's see if we can go even faster, faster, faster.
What's Tari doing? Ah, okay, that's just wholesome. That's just adorable. Okay, that's just wholesome. Oh, poor Tari.
What the hell is wrong with you?
What is going on in this video?
It was him. Let's get him, Sally.
Oh.
Beep, 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 beep.
Awesome, Dad.
Me, Mario!
I don't even know who you are.
おうおう、はい。米 C2 ラフ変態通能親父製図ロイン。ベッドフォーミー。
Let's go right now! Bring it on!
A brawl is surely brewing.
Oh, we're gonna have a nice fight here.
Hello there.
Hey, whatever your name is, stupid bitch!
Try me, bitch. Oh, ball. Oh, there's Boopkins.
Mamma mia!
Oh, hey guys! I didn't expect to see you here.
Pipkins? What the?
Well, I need more money, so my dad offered me a job as a HR director of his company. Dad! I'm busy at work, Dad! No, Dad! You can't hurt them! They're my friends! Please let them go! Please, Dad!
Fine.
Bye!
Get the f out of here.
You got rid of that old yee ass haircut you got, you get some.
Oh.
Ooh.
Here we go!
No, 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 no.
What?
A delicious kilo sandwich.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah, never put too much mayo on your sandwich, or it just gets too soggy or something. On their faces! On their face! Oh, let's go back. Get us. Oh my god, what? Tari and Wintu are just scarred. I really enjoyed this episode. Oh my gosh, this was hilarious. Anyways, guys, hope you guys liked this video. I really enjoyed this video. This was really funny. Good job, SMG4. You really know how to make videos funny. And yeah, so Mario got a sandwich with mayo. So yeah. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a like, comment down below. I really like the ending to this video. I just can't stop looking at it. But anyways, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and I'll see ninjas later. Peace out, guys.